and welcome back to my channel. I am your host Tanisha with Tcookswithflave. Today we're here and we're going to be making some nice and creamy potato salad. The type of potato salad that you want to see on the table at Thanksgiving. Can't say, we never want to know. This one is very easy to make, super delicious. And if you stick with me, you're going to learn how to make this one in just a matter of minutes. If it is your first time here, welcome to my channel. And for my Flave gangs, big up on yourself. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. On this channel, I'll be your vibes. Food and fun and good vibes. All right, so stick with me and let's get started. For this dish, you will need some refined brown sugar. You can use granulated sugar, but I'm not really a fan of granulated sugar. A little paprika for color. Mayonnaise. The mayonnaise that I like to use is the Dukes Mayonnaise. I don't know, it doesn't give me that tangy taste. I don't know, that mayonnaise taste. I don't know, I like Dukes. I'm gonna be using the sweet Gherkins. The reason why I like this is because once someone put me onto it, usually I use the mixed veg, which I have the mixed veg here because this is optional for you guys. You can use either this, you're gonna cube them like not cube them, but dice them like I did here. Or you can go in and use your mixed veg. You can use the carrot and corn, not carrot and corn, what I'm saying. The peas and carrot, or you can use corn, whatever floats your boat, guys. You can use, so this is also an option. We're not gonna be using this today, but I put it here just so they're wondering like, what is that? This gives it a whole different vibe, a whole different kick, but you wanna make sure that you dice them up really, really tiny. All right, we boiled some eggs already. I have about 4 of them here. The sugar already, tip it out here. I'll put the measurements in my description box, and I boiled about 7 potatoes here for about 10 minutes. So now the first step is I'm going to make my mayonnaise sauce, if you want to call it that. Then I'll transition into mixing it in together. I don't just pull from here directly there. I actually make the paste here, and then you'll see what I'm going right now. So let's get started. You want to wash your potatoes. I'm about to peel them. All right, we're gonna cut them. I don't want them too big, but I don't want them too small. So this is usually the size that I go with for my potato salad. So once you're done with that step, you want to just give your potatoes another wash. All right, so I'm going to go in with some of the Nor's chicken bouillon. This is going to flavor the water just a little bit. And then I'm going to do just a pinch of salt. And we're gonna allow that to come to a boil. All right, so let's do a test. All right, so let's test. These potatoes boil for 10 minutes. Look, perfect. So I'm about to pour the water off. And then I'm gonna stick it in the refrigerator for a few minutes just so that it can cool down and that it can get hard. Because once I'm making the potato salad, I hate a potato salad that looks like mashed potato. So I'm gonna stick it in the fridge for about 15 minutes so it can cool down while I peel the eggs. So I poured off the water like I was saying earlier. 10 minutes I think is good, and of course it depends on how much potato you're doing. I did 7 potatoes because I'm just making this small bowl here. See, I don't want them to be too mushy where it's look like more like mashed potato instead of potato salad. So let me just stick this in the fridge real quick, have it cool down while I peel the eggs and get those ready to make the mayo sauce that will be going on these bad boys. All right, so let's start with our mayonnaise. I'm gonna do about 3 scoops, 3 tablespoons, maybe 3.5. And that's really up to you guys how you prefer it. Let's go ahead with I use 4 of the sweet Gherkins. Now for my eggs, I don't dice them, I just cube them like that. I love it with a lot of eggs. Don't follow me guys, use your cutting board. This is a tablespoon of sugar. Let's just mix this in. Whoops, I'm losing some. I'm going with 1/2 tablespoon of paprika. And one thing I forgot was the salt. We're just gonna use a pinch of salt. All right, so just a pinch of salt there. Look how nice and rich and creamy this looks. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna slowly mix in, this is not all the potatoes, okay? Because I wanna make sure that everything is nice and creamy. So I'm gonna do it in stages. Looking good. I'm gonna use the rest of the potatoes here. So we're just gonna mix this all together. I'm gonna do a quick taste test. Y'all just don't know. Really good. Pretty much, your potato salad is done. Alright, and there you go. Nice and creamy potato salad, just like I promised. And of course, you know, same after begin, cause I gotta taste it. Let's get like a nice little scoop. It's so good that you can't eat it by itself. Mmm. Yes, T. You did that, girl. Really good. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. And I hope you guys, whatever it is that you choose to do today, I hope that it is productive. I hope it is fun-filled, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Bryce, I'm about to start. You need to be calm, okay? You're not funny.
Brianna's the funniest one.
You're harassing me. Be quiet.
You're not funny. You're not funny.
Brianna's the funniest one.
I'm the funniest one up in here. I'm the funniest one up in here.
No. It's at the mirror.
Press, let's go. Oh my god. Alright, ready, let's go.
Okay.
No. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in the kitchen and we're gonna be making a side dish, potato salad. So for those of you who stop.